Gagala na naman tayo. It's because today is birthday po ni Angel.
No, yun na siya. No.
Okay guys, no, so yeah, comment kayo guys kung ilang taon na si Angel ko. Today is pupunta kami ng Montalban.
Ayan.
Basta sa Montalban guys kami pupunta. First time ko pong pumunta ng Montalban. Jane, first time?
Hindi. It's my second time.
Hoy! Sino kasama mo doon?
May auntie ako dun.
Ay,
na birthday.
So yes.
Na
So yun siya
birthday.
guys. It's on our way to Montalban. Actually guys, di ako nag-breakfast. Ay, nag-breakfast pala ako sandwich. Kayo guys, nag-breakfast kayo.
Yeah, pero gutom na.
Oo. So, taste lang muna kasi madaming foods. Tapos, for sure, may mga kapitbahay tayo doon na may mga lechon food. So, hihingi na lang tayo doon ng lechon.
Wow.
Hindi man pwede naman magpa-lechon tayo, pero tayong 5 lang kakain ng lechon. Maubos niyo ba?
Challenge is a
Yun lang
challenge.
iniisip- High blood. Okay, so yun siya guys.
High blood challenge.
See you later. Good night.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday.
Sayaw, Jel!
I'm very happy.
Sayaw.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Guys, alam niyo ba, ang daming pagkain pero 4 lang kaming kakainin kasi yung isa nasa ibang stable ng aming bahay.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wala pa.
To you.
Sana may pupunta dito makikain, no? Kaya di ba natin mahurot?
I'm very happy.
Kain! Kain po!
Happy birthday. Today is very good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
So guys, eto siya, si Angel. Ano yung handa mo nung 18 years old ka, Jel?
Na ano lang, chicken para padugo dito. Ganun lang.
Padugo din. Kasi sa amin guys, sa probinsya guys, yung pag-ihaw kami ng manok, tapos lalagyan ng cross dito, di ba? Yung dugo, ipahid dito sa tapos lalagyan ng cross. Yun siya. So yun siya. Eto guys, naisip ko na kahit sa konting maganda kami para kainin. Kasi guys, ang dami naming mga pagsubok this past few weeks. Kailangan namin tong lumabas at yun nga. Ay sana, Jel, masaya ka sa birthday mo. Anong gusto mong sabihin, Jel? Una-una ako mo nito. Lighter! Wala na siya nag-review.
Birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy.
Una sa lahat, thank you ma'am sa mga binigay mo sa akin.
Seryoso.
Sa mga foods at saka sa inyo din, thank you so much. Ganyan ko lang naranasan to ganito kasi yung 8th birthday ko, walang-wala noon kami. Tapos, yun lang, thank you ma'am.
Meron ka lang sa Angel guys. Ilan to before sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So yun siya. Kaya talagang go. Maganda tayo. Etong gel etong cake na to gel. Kahit maliit lang yung cake natin. I-wish mo na lahat ng gusto mong i-wish. Dito kasi for sure, sponsor kasi mabata-bata to guys. So, kasi for sure, yung mga wish mo na yan, matutupad yan. Sige na gel, mag-blow na ka. Sige, mag-blow sa ka.
Wish.
Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad basta magbinotan ha. O ampingan ko ni mo, ampingan ko ta ka. Mag-inampingan tayo ha. Happy birthday, Jill. Happy birthday.
Today's your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, you shine like a morning sun. Here's to joy, love. with your kindness.